Hey, what's up and welcome back to Easy Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you two quick and easy ways to make a transparent background in GIMP. It's a simple trick that can help you create professional looking designs and isolate your images effortlessly. Before we dive in, if you are into tips and tricks for creative tools, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and you'll never miss a new video. Alright, let's get into it. First of all, let's open our GIMP. And you can minimize it, and I will import one image with a white background, and we want to remove this white background. On the right side, make sure that your layer is selected. Go on the top left corner and select this fuzzy select tool and just click in the white background, and now hit delete on your keyboard. As you can see, something changed, but we are not sure if this is really transparent, so we need to make a background layer so you can check it out. So just create this new layer here, create a new layer, and leave everything as it is. Make sure that this fill width is selected with transparency and hit OK. And now we have a new layer and want to drop a color on it. So go on the left side, select bucket fill tool, and over here you can see the colors. This is your active foreground color and background color. We'll choose this foreground color, make it red for example, hit OK. And make sure that this FG color fill, this means foreground color fill, so you use the red, and if you use the background color fill, you will use this white. So let's go with the red and hit here, and you can see that we now changed the background, and this is actually a transparent image. So you can hide this to make sure, and select your layer, and after you are done, you can just go over here to File, Export As, and you can click over here, select file type, and you can find the PNG image and choose the desktop and click export. I have already my PNG, so I'll just replace it and click export, and you will export your transparent image. Okay, and now you exported this, and we have a problem. If I open it, it still has the white background, so something is wrong here. So to fix that, we can always go select the plant and select with the fuzzy tool everything, and go to the selection and click this invert, and now we'll only select this plant. So you can Control C and Control V, and it says floating selection, so you can just click here, create a new layer and add it to the image. You see, if I now remove the visibility of our plant, you can see that we have the transparency. If you see this checkered background, this means that this image is transparent, and this is transparent 100%. So okay, always you can go with File, Export As, select file type and export it as a PNG again. So let's go export it, and we have our image transparent. If I open it up, you can see that there is no more this white background. So if you have this problem with the white background, you can always copy and paste the object into new layer and fix from there. Okay, let me now show you the second way to remove the background if you have this little bit complex image. So just drag and drop this image from the desktop to the program, and you can see that if we go with this fuzzy selection tool, it won't select it good. It's a little bit bad. So go to here under the selection and click none, so we don't select anything, and go here and choose this free select tool. Select it, and now you will be able to draw a line. I will now draw a line just quickly for the sake of this tutorial. So for example, if you want to isolate this part of image, you go like this, and you can see this white circle. This means this will connect. Now you know the drill. You can Control C and Control V to copy and select this as a new layer, and we can just hide this second layer, and you will have your image here, and you will be able to move it around like this. And this is how you remove background and make it transparent in a GIMP. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below, and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.